plenty of scoring. 4 of those power cells that were preloaded being achieved and scored during the autonomous period. Spartabots, they are scanning with their robot vision, launching 1, 2, 3, and 4 up into the outer port. 2 of them land, 2 of them bounce off the backboard, but Spartabots is going to rush back to the loading zone in the Blue Alliance sector of the field. All 3 red robots focusing on offense for now, but with a quick turn of events, 74-61, they zoom their way back toward their loading zone. They're looking for additional power cells. We'll see if they'll be engaging in any other activity while in the Red Alliance sector. IRS 1318, 1 power cell within their manipulator. They're going to deploy their intake, and those rollers are going to help feed power cells into the Lazy Susan mechanism inside their robot that serves up each of those power cells into their flywheel launcher. Sushi Squad, a member of the Red Alliance, attempting to score. Several of their power cells do bounce off of the surface of the port. Still a very, very tight match. 4 more power cells scored by Spartabots of the Blue Alliance. They have completed the activation for stage 1 of their shield generator in this match. 17 power cells remaining before they are able to start working on activating stage 2. 4 more going in very, very quickly for Spartabots, and they still have 2, now 3 in their mechanism. They're going to go back for another 4 launch of these power cells. Their vision scans, all 4 go up, 3 of them will land, a total of 6 more points for the Blue Alliance. 30 seconds remaining in the match. 9:49, Wolverine Robotics trying to slow down the endgame strategy of 74-61 Sushi Squad for the Red Alliance. We also see defense between Wolverine and Invert. Robots need to be very careful not to contact opposing robots who are in their rendezvous point underneath the shield generator. IRS might be the first and only robot to attempt hanging at the end of this match. IRS is up as time expires. We will see if their bumper has cleared contact with the ground at T=5 after the conclusion of the match. We will get your final score in just a few moments. Final results coming up on the board. The winner of that match is the Blue Alliance. Blue Alliance goes home 100-57 in match number 32.
Let's meet our Red Alliance for our next match, starting with Team 8059.
From Sammamish Robotics at Eastside Catholic.
Joining them, we've got 2910.
Jack in the Bot from Mill Creek.
Lastly, give it up for Team 4681.
They join us from Everett, Murphy's Law.
On the blue side of the field, make some noise for 4682.
Brave Bots out of Seattle.
And their partner, 7627.
Descendants of Gort from Monroe.
Finally, we have Team 8032.
Redshift from Seattle.
Windmill for the land, love forever hand in hand. Take it all out on your stride, it is taking voting down. Love forever, love is free, let's turn forever, you and me. Windmill for the land, is everybody in?
Laughing gas, these hazmats, fast cat, lining them up like ass crack. Play these ponies at the track, it's my chocolate attack. Shit, I'm stepping in harder this year. Yeah, bear repping in harder this year. Watch me as I gravitate. Ha 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 ha. Yo, we gon' ghost town, this Motown with your sound. You in the blink, gon' bite the dust, can't fight with us. With your sound, you kill the ink. So don't stop, get it, until you chat it head and watch the way I navigate. Ha 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 ha.
Windmill for the land, love forever hand in hand. Take it all out on your stride, it is taking voting down. Love forever, love is free, let's turn forever, you and me. Windmill for the land, is everybody in?
Drivers behind the line in 3, 2, 1, go!
Autonomous underway. Let's keep an eye on the Red Alliance for now. Murphy's Law and Jack in the Bot have a lot of potential here during Autonomous, but it does look like Jack in the Bot does run up over some of the power cells that are on the playing field floor in the Red Alliance trench. Time expires in Autonomous despite the hiccup for Jack in the Bot. Still a Red Alliance lead, 36-10 in favor of Red as drivers step forward in Teleop. The Blue Alliance has a gap to cover, and all three of those blue robots, they move back toward the Blue Alliance sector. For Brave Bots in blue, 4682, they might be scanning for an opportunity to launch power cells toward the Blue Alliance port. Their other two robots do move back toward the Blue Alliance sector. And unfortunately for descendants of Gort of the Blue Alliance, they lose their battery, which has become unclipped from their robot. So 7627 is completely shut down for this match. They will not be able to keep moving. Blue Alliance, though, still hard at work, though Jack in the Bot 2910 for the Red Alliance is in the loading zone for the red side of the field, and they are going to make their way through the trench. Those power cells in their possession. Now Jack in the Bot lines up, sinks 2 of their power cells. They're going to go back to the trench, pick up some of those power cells they got hung up on at the beginning of the match. 1 minute remaining. Red Alliance needs just 1 more power cell to activate stage 1 of their shield generator in the center of the field. They have achieved that activation now. 17 power cells remaining to complete capacity for stage 2. Jack in the Bot, we have seen them do this before, so they might be able to work all the way down to the capacity for stage 2, and then we will see whether they attempt to work on the control panel or simply score more points to extend the lead by the Red Alliance. 8059 in red, Robotics at Eastside Catholic. They are still on the initiation line for the Red Alliance portion of the field. More scoring from Jack in the Bot. Jack in the Bot will go back to pick up power cells for 1 more cycle before going for their endgame strategy. First robot to raise an endgame manipulator is going to be Murphy's Law of the Red Alliance. Murphy's Law does latch on both of their hooks. Jack in the Bot, their manipulator is tall enough to reach the tipped over portion of the switch. 3 seconds remaining in the match, though. And as time expires, both Red Alliance robots are hung. We will see if it is level at the end of the match, and it looks like just barely out of the position of level for that Red Alliance generator switch. Final results coming up on the screen. Winner of that match is the Red Alliance. 112 points for Red, 36 for Blue in match 33.